In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Canon Pixma TR8622 printer. So you may get support code 1313. Now the first thing is to check if there is a paper stuck in the paper tray. So we'll open this tray and see if anything is stuck underneath. So everything is clear, then we will move to the back side. So close this tray and go to the back of the printer. Here we have to remove this tray to the upside. Now there is a button here, select here and open this tray. So here we can see the paper is stuck. So we can take this paper out. So gently pull it out. Close this section again. Slide it down. Now go to the front. Now go to the main screen. Now click OK and wait for the printer to show up the normal reading. So this way we can fix the paper jam. Thanks for watching.